It is enough to take your breath away. Take a look at the upper deck of the Bay Bridge from our South Beach camera. That is an SUV facing eastbound in the westbound lanes. CHP officers say the driver, a woman believed to be in her 60s, drove the wrong way onto I-80 from the Harrison Street off-ramp in San Francisco. She went about 1.5 miles before pulling onto the shoulder. This happened around 7 p.m. Now, the SUV didn't hit any other vehicles, but CHP shut down 2 lanes of the freeway to remove the vehicle. Emergency crews took the woman to the hospital for evaluation.